Think brownies need eggs, maida and sugar? Think again. Today we're making the fudgiest ragi brownie that's healthy, rich and unbelievably delicious. You'll need ragi flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, ripe bananas, date paste, milk, vanilla extract, coconut oil and optional chocolate chips with walnuts. Start by mixing the ragi flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and a pinch of salt until everything is evenly combined. In another bowl, mash the bananas, add the date paste, coconut oil, vanilla, and milk. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Fold gently until you get a thick, silky chocolate batter. Don't overmix. For extra indulgence, fold in dark chocolate chips and crunchy walnuts. Every bite will be packed with chocolate goodness. Transfer the batter to a lined baking pan. Smooth the top and sprinkle a few more chocolate chips for a bakery style finish. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Let it cool completely so it becomes perfectly soft, rich and fudgy. And there it is, an irresistibly fudgy ragi brownie. No eggs, no maida and no refined sugar. Healthy never tasted this good. Like, subscribe and follow for more easy and delicious recipes.